Hello everybody, my name is Gianni and today I'm gonna show you how to synchronize two clips with the audio in DaVinci Resolve. So let's go ahead and jump straight into DaVinci. So here we have two clips, one of me talking and a screen recording. To synchronize these two clips and ensure that what I say is aligned with what's being shown in the screen, we need to select both clips. Right click on either one, go to Auto Align Clips, select Waveform and click Sync. Now DaVinci will analyze both clips and sync them up. So if we take a look at the waveforms, we'll see that they are perfectly synchronized. And if we hit play, you will hear me talk. Now, quick tip, if you have a lot of background noise, it's always helpful to clap before each scene so that you have more information for DaVinci to align your clips afterward. With that being said, I hope this video helped you. For more tutorials, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.